Do you want to know how you can log into your Crystal Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Crystal Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Crystal Payroll login on your browser, and then you can see these two links are for employee and employer. So you can choose according to your category. If you are an employee, just go ahead and click on the first link and it will take you to the employee login portal of Crystal Payroll. Go ahead and write down your user code over here on the first box and then go to the password section and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it by clicking on this icon over here. You can also click on this box which says stay signed in, and then finally you can click login. This way you can successfully log into your employee login of Crystal Payroll. Then you can also log into your employee portal. Go to employee portal and write down your company code over here and then write down your user code in this box. After that, go to the password box and write down your password. Check your password once again by clicking on this icon and then click login. This way you can log into your employer login portal from Crystal Payroll as well. So guys, this is how you log into your Crystal Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.